So I will say perception in this space is everything. The best type of information is good information, okay? True information. And unfortunately, yesterday we got a little bit of fake news that caused a little bit of a sell-off in the market. SHIB obviously experienced it. We're seeing it across the space. You can see BTC down 1.2%, Solana down about 7%, ADA down about 2.5%, and SHIB, for example, is down about 4.5%. Now, again, this has nothing to do with many of these assets. We were already going through a little bit of a correction, but what really sent things lower was this fake news about a BlackRock XRP spot ETF filing. Now, XRP actually went on a massive run. You can see it actually shot like very quickly to the upside, and then it corrected right back down to where it was. It actually almost came out of everything unscathed. But the problem is when XRP started selling off after this, the entire crypto market started going through this correction as well. You can see what happened with SHIB, this drop off a cliff right here. You can see what happened with BTC, same thing, drop off a cliff right here. We experienced it across the market. Some came out okay, but for the most part, everything is down. So now we sit here a little bit lower. Right now, SHIB is actually testing that 200-day moving average. We'll obviously see if we can hold that as support. I really hope we do. And it looks like we're actually headed towards making a bullish cross on there, a golden cross, the 20 crossing the 200-day, which would obviously be a very big deal for Shiba Inu. And this comes again at the perfect time. Obviously, again, today, this morning, by the time you watch this, this may be out already, but we have the CPI report today. If we get a good CPI report, this may be enough to essentially turn the market around, get us moving back to the upside, push BTC over 37K again. We just need to show some strength up here. If not, there's a possibility BTC could retrace. It could go down anywhere from, 34 to 32K. SHIB could go back down, retest some of these support levels around, 5080. But there's a lot of unknowns right now. And it annoys me when obviously we get some of this bad information. People try to put fake information out in the market to try to get unnatural pumps. And the same thing happens every time. Within minutes to hours, people figure out it's fake information and the market sells off. That's when we go through some of these corrections, when there is bad information out there. And as a space, this obviously needs to get cleaned up, especially as we do get into times where we may be seeing some of these things. We may essentially be the boy who cried wolf, right? People saying stuff's happening when it is in fact happening, but nobody's believing them because we've gone through this period of time that people have tried to do this time and time again, and it's been fake. Okay. So that's what we're experiencing today. Yes, I get there's sell-off, corrections are in the game. I'm not surprised by pullbacks at this time. Again, you go on a massive run like we did. I mean, Shiba Inu climbed what? Let's see. Climbed almost 45% from the market cycle low to the high of this pump. Okay. So what we may see here is, again, if we do get some good news, we hold this 200-day moving average, we may continue this range and break through this top range of resistance here. So that'd be very exciting to see. SHIB still has yet to break this trend line that we've had basically since the top of February. So we'll see if it can finally break through, create some momentum, and continue our move to the upside. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys show your love below, but have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.